everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm on my way to try and get another fish. We're going to Sheldon State Park where I went yesterday and I got a bluegill, but I feel like the fish were pretty aggressive and it didn't look like a lot of people go and fish, so I think I have a pretty good chance. Last night it rained pretty bad and I don't know if the fish are gonna be hungry or maybe more active or whatnot, but you see, that's one thing you guys need to know. I'm not a pro yet. I don't know too much about fishing. I only know some of the basics. So, full disclosure, I'm not a pro.
Emocional, mas não vou me contar. Sou belo, vou viver a minha vida da e na fonte Cristo casa. Se dá dia, não dá.
What do y'all think? Lashes to catch bass? Will it work? We're gonna try it today. Cause it can honestly look like maybe like a little caterpillar that fell. Or like some type of fucking spider. We gonna be able to catch something today with this. Alright, so I don't think your chair got. Wait. What's that noise?
Oh, it's the train tracks.
Oh, okay. So my beautiful girlfriend taught me about this place. What I don't know is who the fuck she came with. That's the problem. We ain't gonna worry about all that. We gonna worry about catching a fish. That's what we're gonna be worried about. Cause ain't nobody catching strays today. Catching a fish, all right? I still gotta carry everything. Even if she wasn't recording, y'all, I still gotta carry everything. All right.
Boyfriend of the year, Let 'em Fish 2025.
Hey, let's go. And she gotta go get her coffee afterwards because apparently this is too early.
1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Let's go.
The thing is, what I realized is that fish, I didn't think they were that smart, but I feel like they know when people are here. And when they try to bite something and they don't like it, they don't go after it. Maybe I'm wrong. Like I said, I don't know. I'm just assuming. I'm not a fucking pro. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move around back to this pond over here and go somewhere where maybe they haven't seen me. So yeah. From what I've been seeing on YouTube videos is that bass just like shit that's floating on top of the water most of the time. Cause it's like there's squirrels here, there's rats or whatever. So if anything falls, right away they want to go after it. Bam! The reason why I'm throwing the frog is because it's weedless, so it doesn't get stuck. I'm just testing the waters here, but I know for sure down there when all the lily pads are at, I'm gonna catch something. If I have one shot at this, but I know they're here for sure. So I'm gonna try to throw it as much as I can down the lily pads over there and just bring it over here and see if we catch a blowout. But they're there, and I want y'all to see the. Didn't I tell you? Hey, my boy just walked in right now, dude.
Fucking first catch.
Let's go. I told you, dog. And I didn't want to change it to a flopper because over there, there are big ones right over there. Let's go. Hey, first one right here. And I've been here for like an hour. Man, still no luck for me. I put the flopper in, didn't catch anything. And then it got stuck on my short, so it took a while for me to like even take it out. So I'm down 0. My boy Jay up 1, but I don't know if we should stay or go to the reservoir Got a little one. What?
There you go. That's the sign of staying.
2-0, and with the frog. We're on the way to the Sheldon Reservoir. We're gonna see what we catch there, but homeboy's up 2. I'm down 0. So yeah, bad luck, bro. All right, so we're back at it. We came to Sheldon Reservoir. We're gonna start off right here because ain't nobody around here. My boy said he had some blowouts, so we're gonna try to see if I can get one because this dude's on a roll. He went to another spot and he caught about, I think he said 6 or 5. Blowout, bro. Let's go. All right, so you see this behind me is where I caught my first fish. I had thrown a crankbait and it got stuck on there, so he hit on it. So I'm trying to, instead of throwing a crankbait, since there's a lot of grass, I'm throwing a weedless frog and kind of getting it stuck on purpose a little bit and then tugging on it and see if it catches their attention. But man, I had no luck today. No luck, guys. It's all good though. Gonna be here a few more hours and then probably get home after that.